Spandana Business Awards brought to you by Karnataka Bank Limited, Adani Group and the Gateway Hotel. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪಂದನ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಇಗ್ನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ನೊರೋನ್ನ ಅವರ ಮಾತು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಗಂಭೀರ ಚಿಂತನೆಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿತು.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್.
The Best Innovative Business Award goes to Mr. Ignatius Orvin Norona, MD, Leovin Solutions, Maziquet.
ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ 2001ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ತೊಡಗಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂತರ ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವರನ್ನ ಹೊರನೂಗಿದ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಬೇಸರಿಸದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊರ ನಿಂತು ಅದೇನೇ ಬಂದ್ರು ಈ ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೇ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಂದ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರ ಯಂತ್ರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಯಂತ್ರ ಬಳಸಿದರೆ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಕೇವಲ 5 ಪೈಸೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಖರ್ಚು. 3 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಇಗ್ನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ವಿನ್ ನೊರೋನ್ನರಿಗೆ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಸ್ಪಂದನ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ.
I want to thank Spandana TV and the team behind to recognize my 15 years of work which I have made for the mankind. 15 years back I saw mosquito magnet American product in Hyderabad priced 1,10,000 rupees per unit. Operating cost was 5,000 rupees. That made me to work on this research, and I had a vision in my mind. What will happen if mosquitoes spread dangerous diseases? So I started with the work. Of course, it took 12 years for me to get this product. And now I don't have to explain much because Zika virus, what does it mean? It is the end of mankind. 24 countries in South American continent, governments have officially banned pregnancy for 2 years. If the mosquito bites a pregnant woman, the baby, before it is born, its head compressed. And also in India, I'm sorry to say this, of course this product I worked for our society, for our human beings. God had different plan. We found our Maziquet was excellent to give a relief to cows. What is the importance of cows in India? People, whenever they get up in the morning, either it is a lady or a man, he will first open the door and see whether the milk has come. And what we contribute to the cows, we talk about protection and all. What is actually happening? Whether anybody has heard of, cows are in such a worst position. They are in tied position. Mosquitoes bite right and left whole night. They have to chase mosquitoes by their tail, wasting their energy. We got this result in the cowshed. I met Minister Jayachandra. He gave a letter to Karnataka Veterinary Animal and Fisheries Sciences University of Bidar. They tested our device for 6 months. They gave 10-page detailed report stating that milk yield is increased after using this product in cowshed. And the thank you. And the benefit is going to the women who work mostly in the cowshed. Not only to women, to the milk unions, to the dairies. I submitted the report to Minister. He sent a written letter with a copy to me to Principal Secretary Mr. Harsha Gupta, IAS officer. He is not corrupt, but the damage what he did for me was worse than a corruption. I have the letter. It states, Kannada it is written, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಸಿಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಟೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಎಂದು ಗಮನಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಪೇಟೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡಬಾರದೆಂದು ನಾವು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ? I was selected and displayed in Rashtrapati Bhavan on 16th of March, but today, and of course it took 8 months, on 28th of October, ICMR has officially released 3 lakh rupees to National Institute of Malaria Research to carry out detailed evaluation reports so that our Moziquid could be released under national program like how the Cisca LED is being distributed, because it is for the nation. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'm expecting some support from you all, because now, as of now, I was alone. Today, I'm strengthened with entire thing. Of course, I have not made any publicity, even if, in spite of getting selected to display in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for sharing the words of wisdom with pain. We are with you, sir.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತನ್ನದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವವರು ಶ್ರೀ ಇಗ್ನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ವಿನ್ ನೊರೋನಾ, MD, ಲಿಯೋವಿನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೊಸಿಕ್ವಿಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಾನು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಸಹ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಣೆ, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಕರಣೆ, ಒಂದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಯೋಗದಾನ. ಅವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ನಾಮ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಯಂತ್ರ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀ ಇಗ್ನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ವಿನ್ ನೊರೋನಾ, MD, ಲಿಯೋವಿನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೊಸಿಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಇವರು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Sir, what are you feeling about when you received this award?
Thank you, ma'am, for your question. I have been working on this project for almost more than 15 years. I have got gold medal in DST Lockheed Martin. I was a part of Samsung Innovation Quotient. And recently, on 16th of March, I was selected and displayed this device in Rashtrapati Bhavan. But the value, the happiness, what I have got today by winning this award is much more than all the achievements what I got as of now in the journey of 15 years of my research, because I don't have to explain much about the harm of the mosquitoes or the mosquito-borne diseases. Everybody knows what will happen when Zika virus enters India. That is going to be the end of mankind, because there is no medicine has been as of now invented for treating Zika virus. And I'm very proud, because of Spandana TV's this program, the eyes on our invention have come, will fall even from Mr. Trump, the already elected President of USA, and our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because we have seen that he has already introduced that Swachh Bharat mission, and killing and eliminating mosquito population itself is a very big task which has not been happened since centuries. The moment our Prime Minister comes to know through Spandana TV's this program, I know battalion of team people will come to our place and they will take this forward for the national implementation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
and in this journey, I have to thank my elder brother, Arthur Nelson Norounna. He has been with me throughout in this difficult task, and I am assuring him today that our future is going to be much easier, not like the past struggle what we have gone through. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for responding us so well, and thank you for participating in this program and receiving the award. We are honored to have you here, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Spandana Business Awards 2016. Spandana, a venture of Hanuman Group of Concern, 6 years of operation, covering 7 revenue districts, in association with Karnataka Bank Limited, Adani Power Limited, and the Gateway Hotel.